Hello everyone, this is Lionel again. In the previous tutorial, we have learned about basics of pivot tables. Today, I'm going to show some of the other functionalities of pivot table. So earlier, we were done up to slicer. So suppose you want to insert a timeline, you can click on pivot table analyze, then insert a timeline, then date. You can see if I select month July, July will be visible and August will be visible. If I want wish to select more than 1 month, then I can press Shift and arrow keys. Other than that, you can also group it wise quarter. So you can see quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, and the like. However, you can see here the data also appearing here appearing Jan 23. However, there is no data for this selection. So here we can take the help of slicer because under timeline there will be no option provided for filtering out the data, uh, filtering out the columns with no data. So here I'm keeping this here as it is. Then this select month, sorry, here month. I will insert and as a size slicer. See, I can see the slicer. However, the data which is not out for the months are shown in light, little bit light blue color. So if I want to hide this, I can right click. You can go slicer settings, select hide items, new data. So here you can see these are the months for which data are available. So like for multiple, I can select here and go for multiple selection. So this is what we have seen today. One more thing, suppose you have more than one slicer and you have one, you want to choose the slicer for which the filter should happen. You can go over here. Basically, there are two ways. One way is to select the pivot table and filter connections. So I will see the active slicer. So if I unselect the region, okay. If anything I select on the region, nothing will filter out. You can see over there. Nothing is happening on the pivot table in the pivot table. But however, when I choose a salesperson, you can see there is a changes in the pivot table. This is how another way is you can go over here. You can report connections. Right click and then report connection. You can select. See now there is a changes in the pivot table, and you can likewise remove it. The other things that I would like to show is regarding the value field settings. You can come over here and you can right click value field settings, and here I've selected maximum amount for which a product has been sold, and count we already showing the sum of quantities, and if you want to would like to know the count of invoices, we can select over here that there are 23 count of invoices, of which 77 product have been sold a smartphone. Similarly, you can also check for the minimum amount. The minimum amount of product has been sold 15,000 under each category. Then the timing hours. So you want to dig deeper and you want to say how the laptops, the details, number of. Thank you for watching today's video, and I believe you found my this video helpful. Please let me know if any other keyword function you will have in you would you like to learn about.